In this video, I'll show you how to add payment methods and withdraw on Gumroad. Now, with Gumroad, you don't actively withdraw. There are withdrawal periods, if I can put it that way. But let me show you what I mean. So if we go to the bottom left and click on Settings, and then we click on Payments on the top here, you'll be asked to agree to certain terms, and if you agree to them, you will be verified. That's all that is. Now here you'll see payout schedule. So this is how payouts are done. So you can select. Keep in mind, daily is only for US residents with eligible bank accounts. Now you can also set the minimum payout threshold, and that is how you will get paid. So you won't be able to actively go and withdraw every day. There's set dates for withdrawals, and then you need to add in your bank account. So fill out all this information. For me, I would use a SWIFT code. Put in your account number, confirm your account number. Are you trading as an individual or as a business? And then put in all your personal details here. You also have the option for PayPal, but if you are still trying to find out how to add payment methods, then you won't have access to this because you need to have earned at least $100, and your account must be marked as compliant as well. So it's definitely going to be the bank account for now. Later, you will be able to come back to this and connect with PayPal. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.